So what we've got here is my new prototype for my Arduino prosthesis, this time with full individual finger control that will be controlled by the movement of my eyes. This setup only has 3 of the motors controlled right now. Alright, so this is my Pupil headset. It's basically able to track the movements of my eyes and figure out the position of my eyes and figure out where they're looking at. I've tied this in through the Arduino to 5 servo motors, so if I look to the right, the leftmost servo will rotate. If I look in the middle servo will rotate. If I look to the rightmost servo will rotate. Okay, so I'm wearing my headset right now. First thing I need to do is turn on the Arduino program. Alright, so the Arduino program is all set. Next thing I need to do is initialize the Pupil code in source. I'll do this by I run the source from Python. So first thing I do is check to make sure that it's checking both my eye. This little red ring here and the dot means that I can see my pupil and it can figure out where I'm looking. Alright, now I'm going to turn on the servo that will allow the pupil to transmit data to the Arduino. First thing I'll do is run a stream program from Python. The first thing I'm going to do is run a stream program from Python. Alright, data's coming in pretty nice. I'm going to turn on my power supply. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run the bridge program that will convert the streaming data from the Pupil into Arduino friendly data.
Show your pupil, dude. This is fantastic. I think it's the first time in human history something like this has been accomplished, right, Shiva?
I don't know. I think so. I'll have to do a little bit of adjustments so that there can be more distance between the leftmost servo, the middle servo, and the right servo, because sometimes when I'm looking in the middle, the left or the right servos are moving instead of the middle servo.
Note the different servo motors turning based on the pink colors on them, right?
Yep.